Hey guys, welcome back. And today we are going to have another interesting session on Facebook ads. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the Facebook campaign setup. Okay, so we are going to consider the campaign objective as brand awareness. So we are going to do it for the real estate project. So it's luxury villa in Lonavala. All right, so I'll tell you the steps. What are those steps involved while setting up the campaign? But before I start, I would request you guys that if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get future notification updates. Okay, so now what is more important here is, okay, when you are setting up the Facebook ads campaign with the campaign objective of brand awareness, step one is you have to create a Facebook business page. Okay, so first thing is new business page is important. You have to choose a relevant name. Okay, so let's say for example luxury villa in Lonavala. Okay, once you do that, then you have to optimize the profile picture and cover photo. Then you have to fill out the about section. Okay, so these are the basic steps. First is create a Facebook business page. Then you have to set up Facebook ad account. You have to create an ad account linked to your business page. So this is also basics. You have to verify your account to all the advertising features. Then you have to define your target audience here. So in Facebook ads there are different type of targeting. One is open targeting, custom audience targeting, lookalike audience targeting. So here we'll talk about open targeting. You have to define your demographics, because when you're initially starting up a campaign, you should start with open targeting, then you should move on to lookalike, then you can move on to custom. Okay, in demographics you have to define age, gender, location. Okay, so for example this project is in relation to Lonavala, so you can say Lonavala nearby areas. Interest, you can say luxury properties, real estate, travel. Behavior, you can say people interested in buying a home, engage with luxury brands here. So, okay, so you have to define your target audience. So this is very important. So I'm going to explain you all the concepts here. Then once your open targeting is defined, then in your next campaign you can test with custom audience. So you have to create a custom audience based on website visitors, email subscribers, or previous leads. Okay, so this is custom audience. Okay, so we'll understand the concept here. Now let's say if you want to create a campaign, so how are you going to do it? You have to select the campaign objective as brand awareness. Then you have to set a budget as scheduled for your campaign. Then once your campaign is created, then you have to create the ad set. You have to start with targeting. You have to apply your target audience criteria. Then you have to select the placements. You have to choose where you want your ads to appear. It could be newsfeed, stories, or Instagram here. Okay, so targeting is important, placement is important here. Then you have to define a budget and schedule. Once that's done, you have to create ad creatives. So you need to use highly quality images or video of the villa, focusing on the unique features and surroundings. Okay, so here what you have to do is you have to write very interesting captions. So you have to write compelling captions that could actually highlight the luxury villa and appeal to make it convincing to your target customers, right? So this is important. So for example, we wrote, escape to your own private paradise in Lonavala. This stunning 4 BHK luxury villa offers breathtaking views, world-class amenities, and a lifestyle of unparalleled elegance here, right? So this is what you can do for here. Then you have to have ad copy examples, because when you're setting up the Facebook ads campaign, you need to have ad copies. So we designed 3 ad copies in, okay, option 1, option 2, option 3. Okay, so you have to write ad copies for your campaign. Then you have to set up call to action. You have to encourage users to your website or contact you for more information. Call to action examples could be learn more, contact us, or visit your website. Alright, then you have to track and analyze the performance here. Once your campaign is set up, then your tracking is important. How are you going to track and analyze the performance for further optimization? You have to modify key metrics. So what are the key performance indicators when it comes to your Facebook ads campaign? It could be impression, clicks, reach, and cost per result. Okay, so you have to make adjustments to your campaign based on performance data. Then once this is done, then your optimization steps start with retargeting. Okay, so you might have a lot of visitors to your campaign, who are not converting, right? So you might be getting junk leads also, right? Because in open targeting there are probabilities, that you might get junk. Some people might have filled the form by mistake. Okay, so here what you could do is, if you want to improve conversions for your Facebook ads campaign, you have to start with retargeting. So If you want to set up a retargeting campaign, very important part is you have to create a custom audience of people who have interacted with your ads. Then once that's done, you have to create a retargeting campaign to reach those users again with a different ad. Now to set up a retargeting campaign, what is important here is you have to use Facebook Pixel. So you have to install Facebook Pixel on your landing page to track conversions and optimize your ads. The same way we install Google Analytics, right, in the search ads campaign. Okay, so here you have to install Facebook Pixel. Analytics tracks your visitors, right? Whoever all visitors are coming, right? It will give you complete information. The same way Pixel can do that as well. So you have to install Facebook Pixel. Then once that's done, you have to leverage Facebook Insights. You have to use Facebook Insights to analyze your audience behavior and campaign performance, right? So this is very important. Very important point when it comes to Facebook ads campaign is A/B testing here, right? You have to experiment with different ad creators, targeting options and placements to find a winning combination here. Okay, so experimentation is very important. You have to keep testing, test. The more you test, the better results you get. Then you have to utilize Facebook audience network here, so you can extend your reach by displaying your ads on third-party websites and apps within the Facebook audience network. So you can also use that. So we'll understand that once we start doing the practicals. Then you can promote your post organically to increase the visibility. You can run contests and giveaways for your campaigns. One important thing when it comes to organic or paid campaign is you can also collaborate with influencers. Collaboration with influencers is very important here. So there are two categories of influencers: micro influencer, okay, macro influencers. So you can partner with influencers in the luxury lifestyle or real estate niche to promote your villa. Then you can start creating a video ad. You can showcase the villa features and surroundings through a visually appealing video. Now one more thing is you can also use Facebook stories. You can create engaging stories to highlight the villa unique selling points. So we are taking the example of a real estate campaign so that you understand better. Then we will do the practicals, right? Then you can optimize the campaigns for mobile. You want to make sure that all your ads are optimized for mobile devices, as a significant portion of Facebook users across the platform come from their smartphones. So your ad has to be optimized for mobile. Consider Facebook Messenger ads. So Messenger ads also add a lot of value. So you can reach potential buyers through Facebook Messenger with personalized messages and offers. You can target specific interests. You can refine your targeting to reach people interested in luxury homes, specific architecture styles or amenities. Then you can also use Facebook groups. Okay, groups are also very important. You can join relevant Facebook groups which are in relation to real estate in Lonavala. Okay, and then participate in discussion to promote your villa. You can also offer virtual tours. You can provide virtual tours of the villa to allow potential buyers to explore from the comfort of their home. Then you can create a sense of urgency. So when you are creating the sense of urgency, this is very important because urgency will actually help you to close more sales. So you can use a limited time offer or scarcity tactics to encourage immediate action. Then you can leverage UGC, that's called user generated content here. You have to encourage satisfied customers to share their experiences and photos on social media. And you have to monitor and respond to comments. Okay, you can engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions promptly. Then you can retarget your website visitors as we discussed. You have to create a custom audience of people who have visited a website but they have not converted, so that's retargeting. We have discussed this already above. So retargeting is very important. Okay, when the users come to your landing page, you have to consistently keep on analyzing your competitors ads. So you can do that with Facebook ad library to identify best practices and potential areas for improvement. And then you have to keep on continuously optimizing the campaign. You have to regularly review your campaign performance and then make adjustments to maximize the conversions as well. Okay, so this is in short we have discussed about the Facebook ads. Now we'll jump on to the practicals. Just give me a minute. Okay, so I hope it's pretty easy to understand. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Okay, any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me. Alright, so I'll wait for you guys if you have anything to discuss over here, so you can please ask me as well. Okay, so yes, so now what I'm going to do is, okay, so let's start with Facebook. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll open Notepad. Now first thing is you have to open Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so let's open Ads Manager. Now Facebook Ads Manager is also called as Meta Business Suite. Okay, so this is what you can also do from here. Okay, but now see, the reason is why am I telling you here? See, for example, so if you can also create your campaign from Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager, right? So what is Facebook Ads Manager is also called as Meta Ads Manager. So you can manage your campaign from Meta Business Suite or Meta Ads Manager. So for there are both ways you can manage your campaign. So we'll start with Facebook Ads Manager or Meta Ads Manager here. Yeah, so that's called as also Meta Ads Manager. Okay, so now click on plus create button over here. Okay, so we'll close this for now. Click on plus create. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so here you will have campaign objective. Choose a campaign objective. We'll select here as awareness and click on continue. Okay, so define your campaign name. Luxury Villa Lonavala awareness campaign. Okay, so I'll scroll down over here. Okay, so buying type is auction, that's fine. Okay, so advantage campaign budget. Okay, so what is advantage campaign budget plus? Advantage campaign budget will actually distribute your budget across. Okay, so currently delivering ad sets to get more results depending on a performance goal choice and build strategy. So you can control spending on each ad set. So for you will keep it on over here. Okay, so you always have to make sure that your advantage campaign budget should be on. Okay, so define a daily budget. So here we'll keep it here as say I'll start with 1,000 rupees. Okay, campaign bid strategy, here it is. See, here you'll have options here. So let's say you want to define a campaign bid strategy here. Okay, so what are the campaign bid strategy? So see here what I'm getting is you'll spend an average of 1,000 rupees per day. Your maximum daily spend is 750 and a maximum weekly spend is 7,000 rupees. So you can customize your campaign budget or whatever is Facebook is recommending. You can also do that. So here I keep it, let's say for example 1800. Let's see what it goes. Okay, so see now this is the metrics you need to understand. This is a numbers game. Okay, so what this is telling you exactly, your daily budget is set at 1369% higher than this account average budget. Okay, so you will spend an average of 1800 per day. The maximum daily spend is 3150. So Facebook is going to do the calculation for you on how you are actually going to distribute your budget. So this is only feasible with advantage campaign budget. Okay, now if I want to go for campaign build strategy, let's first thing is if I click on edit. So here, so what you have options here: highest volume, cost per results goal, okay, other options, okay. So what is highest volume? You get the most results for your budget. Cost per results goal is you aim for a certain cost per result while maximizing the volume of results, okay. So here what you have to do is you have to select here as highest volume, okay. Yeah, so make sure to keep these settings in mind, okay. Budget scheduling is fine. So here, now when it comes to ad scheduling, initially you can run ads for all time, okay. So ad scheduling, right. But what is important here is when your campaign goes live, right? So when you start getting data from the algorithm, in your ads manager, so you get to know when is your audience more active. So once your first campaign is live, so you will have a lot of data about your campaign. So you should ideally just schedule your ads at that particular time when your audience is most active, okay. So ad scheduling is very important to get maximum conversions. So I hope I'm pretty clear on this, okay. Then A/B testing here. See, now to help improve ad performance, you have to test version with different images, text, audiences, or placements. For accuracy, each one will be shown to separate groups of your audience. So you can create the A/B test also, right? So now then click on next, okay. Yeah. So click on next here. Alright, so I hope I'm pretty clear on this. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Alright, okay, yeah. Then here I give the ad set name. You have to define your ad set name here, okay. So you can just keep it here for now, new awareness ad set. Then performance goal, you have, see, you have to select the performance goal, okay. So what is the performance goal here? See, here you have different options here: maximize reach of ads, maximize through play views, maximize 2 seconds continuous video views. So here we'll say maximize reach of ads here, then you have to select your Facebook page, select the relevant Facebook page here, right, for which you want to run the ads here, okay. Excuse me. Yeah, so this is the relevant Facebook page here, okay. Cost per results, this will be shown, okay. So dynamic creative, you have to provide creative elements such as images and headlines and will automatically generate. Combination, which is optimized for your audience. Variation may include different formats, templates, or audio based on one or more elements. You have to keep this on, continue, dynamic creatives, yeah. Then dynamic creatives on, is on here. Define your budgets and schedules, okay. So start date, define your end date as well. So here you will say end date is 24th of August, okay. So that's the end date and start date is, okay. So here we'll say here as define the date time as well. So we'll start from 7 p.m. the campaign will go live, okay. Define start date, end date and time, okay. So once that's done, okay, audience control is something very important here. You can set criteria for where your ads for this campaign can be delivered. So this is going to be a lot of testing. Okay, so I will say, you can do audience control, in step 2 here. First, let's do the setup. Then define the locations. Okay, so location is pan India. So let's say if I click on show more options here. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to define the age, gender, everything, right? So what is the age of a target audience here, right? For the real estate campaign, generally is gonna be 25, minimum 25 age. Okay, so here in this case you have to exclude these custom audiences. Okay, so for those audiences who has already made a conversion, right, so you can also exclude this, but this will come in phase 2. Okay, so here is a basic setup. Okay, advantage plus audience. So what is this basically? This ad technology will automatically find your audience. If you share an audience suggestion, they'll prioritize audience matching this profile before searching more widely, right? Okay, so what happens is, let's say for example, you say audience suggestions optional here. So what do you get here? See, okay, either search existing audience. If you have created any existing audiences, it will search it for you using the AI technology. Age you define here as 25 to 65 plus. So for here we can do is, so we'll say as 25 to 58, genders male female. Okay, so then you have to do detailed targeting. Okay, define age, genders, detail targeting. Okay, so now click on edit on detail targeting. Okay, click on edit here, add demographics. So it will give you suggestions, interest. So I'll say luxury villa. Okay, for sale. Let's see what suggestions it will give you. Okay, so luxury real estate. Okay, right, now I'll tell you how you can find out the detailed targeting here, right? So now what you have to do is open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT, then you have to open AI PRM. Okay, so now what you have to do is open AI PRM here. Okay, just type here in search Facebook ads. Okay, so I hope I'm pretty clear on this and you all are understanding what am I trying to explain, right? Okay, so just now what you have to do is type here as Facebook ads, right? Best audience targeting for ads campaign. Okay, so yeah, so now you have to click on best audience targeting for ads campaign in AI PRM. Click on best audience targeting for ads campaign. Right, so now I click here, so I have to type the product name and location. So I'll type here in brackets here luxury villa for sale, brackets, location I'll type here as Lonavala. Okay, I click on enter. So let's hang on for a moment please. See, this is going to create a complete ad set for you, right? Okay, demographics, interest, everything this is going to be created by AI PRM ChatGPT extension here, Okay, so it is going to tell you from which time your audience is active here, right? So this is the power of AI, right? So what is something required, what is the budget you can use, okay, for daily budget, brands, placement platform, Facebook ads, interest targeting, demographics. It's going to tell you everything, right? Sounds good? Yeah. So demographics: high net worth individual residents of Mumbai, Pune, because Mumbaikars invest a lot of money in real estate. Because I've personally seen it, and Mumbai is like 5 crore is like 5 lakhs. People have a lot of money in Mumbai, and maximum Mumbaikars, they do a lot of investments in Lonavala, right? So you what you can do is, let's go back to the ads campaign here. Okay, so let's say for example, now what details ChatGPT has given me: high net worth individual residents of Mumbai, Pune. Okay, so let's say if I type here, so now you know, okay, the location, right? So, okay, so you have known the location here. So what I do is I click on edit in the location part. Okay, instead of targeting the entire country, what I do is I type here as Mumbai. Okay, so let's first do that. Mumbai, Maharashtra city. Yeah, then you can select include location here as Pune, Maharashtra city. Okay, because the users will come from Mumbai and Pune. Okay, so all languages, gender, interest targeting. So now let's go back here. Then interest, real estate investments. Okay, somebody who wants to do it, so you just type here as real estate investments. Okay, so here you can see, right, property investing, right? Okay, so this is given me the interest, so this is the interest targeting here, right? Okay, so then what is the next here? Luxury living. Somebody who's interested in luxury living here, just type here. Okay, so what I do is, okay, so you have to click on suggestions here. Okay, suggestions. So let's see what all suggestions. Properties, because it's gonna give me suggestions. So real properties, property size. Yeah, investor. So that's the best interest targeting we can do for now. Okay, so then vacation property, second homes. So you can say second homes here. See, targeting is very important, you know. Targeting is important in Google Ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, very important, right? So now click on suggestions. Yeah, you can do this. Yeah, so this is how you understood, right? So you can get all the data from AIPRM, right? So interest targeting we have done over here, right? So now demographic targeting. Let's say if you want to go for demographics here. Okay, so let's do some testing here, right? So I want to say high net worth individuals. Copy this, copy here, control V, see what you get. You see here you are getting suggestions here, right? High, now you have to click on suggestions. The first will identify high net worth individuals. Click on suggestions here. Yeah, this is important. Now let's see if we are doing demographic targeting. Okay, so now we get to understand investment in business and finance here. Okay, so this is what we are going to do the targeting here. Okay, yeah, then we discuss the placement platform, then ad format. Now we'll discuss. So this is what we have done for now. Okay, so here it is. Then we click on next. Yeah, all right, so we define the ad name, new awareness ad, Facebook page used, Okay, so now let's say for example we want to do a single image or video. So let's say we select the videos here. For example, we'll try to select the videos over here. So we'll go here, click, then click on plus upload over here. Okay, so we will just try to upload the video here. Okay, so here you can see the videos uploaded. Yeah, sounds good. All right. Okay, so I'll select the video here and click on continue. So what you can see here, the video is uploaded. Yeah, then once the video is uploaded, okay, so the ad creative is uploaded, right? So you have to write here as upload your ad creative single image or video, right? Okay, so once you upload this, okay, then here you have options optimize creative for each person. So what do you mean by this? You can vary your ad creative and destination based on each person's likelihood of responding, right? So this is one option of optimization as well, right? So now you have to have primary text, you have to integrate. Okay, so here you can use ChatGPT, add text option, add website URL. Okay, so let's have headlines, description, website URL. So I'll open this URL here, landing.site over here. I'll open this URL. Okay, so let me open that. Generate your landing page. Yeah, any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help all of you. Okay, so I'm trying to make it more interesting and more practical here. Okay, so let's do that. Alright, so we'll open this URL, landing.site. Okay, so I'll just open this over here. Okay, so just copy this URL, copy this URL here. Okay, now what you have to do is go back to ChatGPT AI PRM. Okay, so what is important here is, so let's do that. Okay, so back to ChatGPT here. Yeah, so I click on Facebook ads here. So here you have Facebook ads hook generator, then Facebook ads audience generator. You have a lot of options. Facebook ad primary text headline description. Click on Facebook ad primary text headline description. Click on Facebook ads primary text headline description, landing page URL, enter. Okay, so here you could see the magic, you see the magic. So now based on your landing page URL, this is going to create primary text, headlines and description. So this is the magic of AI, my dear students. So you have to use AI smartly. Just do not rely completely on AI, but human brain is also required over here. Correct? Yeah? Cool? Got it? So just copy this text over here. Okay, I copy this text here. Yes, I do that. So what is that? Okay, I go back to ChatGPT. It's primary text here, so I go back to Ad Manager. 1 second. So here it is. Yeah. So this is the primary text. Yeah. So it's primary text over here. Then headline. So you can customize the headline here, right? Okay. So you can definitely change as per your requirement over here. Yeah. So that you can do, correct? So headline. So here you can say, or 4 BHK, 4 BHK, or you can say here as 4 bedroom luxury villa for sale in Lonavala at 5.75 CR. I copy here as 5.75 CR CR. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Got it. So then text generator, now this is the job of AI. AI will try to get as many text from your landing page. So then what you have to do is you go back to ChatGPT and just check out the descriptions what all it has given you. Okay, so just copy this over here. So this is just a test campaign, right? So then you have to do a lot of customization when you go live, right? Okay, so we copy the description here. Yeah, so copy this. Yeah, so here it is. Okay, then enter your display link, website URL, control C, control V, enter your display link as well, enter your website URL as well as the display link, then enter the call to action. Okay, call to action, you have different options here: apply now, book now, contact us. So for now we will say as contact us option here. So here you could see you are getting a lot of previews, right? Okay, yes, this is how your ads will be shown in the news feed. Okay, contact us option. Okay, so, right then, so ideally you can also connect your Instagram account, so Instagram account with Facebook. Okay, so you can create an Instagram handle for real estate, and then you can do the connection part. For tracking here, this is important. You can track events data, right? Sets the conversion for your ad. Okay, so the data set would contain the conversion selected for the ad account. Okay, so here we have website events and app events. So that we will do the next session here, because will definitely have almost close to 15 sessions of Facebook ads. So we are going to do it very much in details here. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you understand how you can actually create the Facebook ads campaign here, right? So then URL parameters, then you can set offline events. Okay, so URL parameters is not of importance, but yes, once you do this, okay, so you enter all the information here. So you know, here what is important is you can do testing, A/B testing with different primary tags, you know, with different description, different headlines. Okay, you can do the testing. Once the testing is done, you can also test with image, you know. You can test with carousel also. Here you have options with ad creatives. You can select images and you can select carousels, right? And once that's done everything, then you have to click on publish a campaign. Okay, it's that easy. But again, you know, this is how you will learn from this particular campaign. Okay, I hope I'm pretty clear on this. Any questions, any doubts, you can please ask me in the comments. So today's campaign was on awareness campaign here, because when you are doing the Facebook ads campaign, if people do not know about your brand, how will they buy for you, right? They will not buy from you, right? Any user has to see your ad 7 times before they make a buying decision. Okay, so your campaign first has to start from brand awareness campaign. Yeah, clear? Okay, so with this I end my today's session. Do you have any doubts, any questions? You can please ask me. I would be happy to help all of you. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you then.